So I got this cool socket light here. It's going to be a fan and a light, and you're just going to screw it into a regular socket that you already have that could support it. What I'm going to be doing today is putting it together in here in my computer room. I'm going to show you guys how the blades go in and everything like that, and then I'm going to go in the attic and put it into the socket that I have in the attic, and then show you how it works in there. So this is everything that's in the box. It's going to come with the instructions, the remote to work all the different functions of the fan, all the different blades, the fan itself, and an extension to go on top of the fan. So the blades are going to go with this part right here facing towards the ceiling. You want to make sure whenever you're putting these in that they go all the way into the stop. Now that we have the blades in, now all we have to do is I'm going to go ahead and attach this because I want it a little bit longer. But I'm going to attach this and just go screw it into the socket that's in my attic. Okay, so we got it up in the attic now. You can see I have the remote for it. You can change the color of the light. You see it went to a soft light now. Back to a white light. You can change the brightness. So I'm going to turn it down. And then obviously you can go back up. I'm going to keep it down for the sake of the video. And then of course the fan, there's 3 options on the fan. You can see at the bottom here there's going to be, this is the least, middle, most, and then also the on and off for just the fan is here. And then off both, it's going to be there. So I'm going to hit the on button, turn the fan on. Oh, that turned it off. So I'm going to turn the fan back on. And it's full blast right now. It does just have a slight wiggle to it. I'm sure that's going to depend on the one that you get. But with the nature of how they are, it's not going to be 100% balanced. But it's not so much that I'm worried about it wiggling. But this thing blows. I actually had one in here before. And this fan right here blows a lot harder than that one. I'm going to put the mic in the wind. You can hear it. See, it's blowing a ton. We have it right here above the hole to the attic, so it kind of blows some of the hot air out of here. So if we need to get in here, it's going to kind of circulate the air a little bit. And if I want to turn both off, just hit that button. It's going to turn both off. Hit again, turn both back on. I'm going to put it down to 1. And even on 1 it blows decent, so this is 1. I'm sure you can hear it then too. So that's a pretty cool little socket fan. Super easy to install. The light gets super bright. It's the lowest as it goes right now, so it gets a lot brighter than this. The fan blows plenty hard. I like it. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.